Welcome to today's video, where we explore one of the most widely used yet often misunderstood spice in the world, peppercorn, also known as king of spice. In this video, I'll take you to a tour to the pepper farm of Phu Quoc. Whether you're a student, a food enthusiast, or just curious about the world around you, this video will help you understand why peppercorn is more than just a seasoning and why is it so expensive.
So now we start a tour, and welcome to our pepper farm. And first step we will see the pepper, and it is our young pepper plant.
Okay.
For the pepper, in the farm we now use the corn or the seed for the baby.
Okay.
And we use for the stem or branch.
So do you have sapling?
Sapling either.
Sapling, the small
No.
small plant. How do you grow?
Yeah, we cut the branch on the old tree.
Old tree.
Yeah, on the branch, old tree. So we made the branch, and so we put the water first, and after that we put in here for the young pepper plants.
From the old tree,
Yes.
you cut the branch and you put it on the water.
Yes.
So they
Yes.
grow roots.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
Later, I will show you the old pepper garden. Yeah.
So suppose you don't have the old tree, then how will you grow?
No, we have old tree.
No,
Next step.
for an example. For an example,
Yes.
we don't have any old tree, but can we grow from the corn?
Yeah, possible, but it's make a long time. Yeah, a long time, and we don't know what is the bad quality of the seed. Yeah, and we need a long time to the baby. Yeah, from the seed to like this, and so need a long time. But in here we only have 7 months. Yeah, and so then we need 3 years more for the first peppercorn.
Okay.
Yeah. So from the baby, from the branch to 3 years. Yeah, a long time. But if we
So this is nursery.
yeah, it's nursery. Yeah, it's 7 months. Yeah, 7 months. And the pepper, they need 3 years for the first peppercorn. Yeah, and so now they need 2 years more. Yeah.
So why do you cover with net?
The net, because around 1 year the baby pepper is no stronger. Yeah.
So for the rain?
Yeah, no, for the sun.
For the sun.
Like another plant. Yeah. Once they are the baby, they no need a lot of the sun.
But
Yeah.
this is black color.
Yeah, black color.
Black has much more heat.
No, in here we the black is because they need a sun, but no a lot. Yeah, so they can protect the sun, but they need a sun also. Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. So we put like this, and they need no a lot of the sun. Yeah, and so they can grow. Yeah, around 1 year. But after 1 year we need to remove, because after 1 year they get stronger, and they need a lot of the sun for the first peppercorn. Yeah. So here is our pepper garden. Yeah. They are from 7 to 10 years. And pepper in forest, they can live about 30 years in forest.
In forest.
Yeah, but for the farm, we only keep about 15 years. Because after 15 years, they older. And so they now had many peppercorn and no bad quality anymore. So the reason why we made the next generation. Yeah. So after 3 years, they have here is the 13 year. Yeah, so we need to replace. Yeah. And the pepper they have, for the baby, right? We use the brand, you see?
Okay.
Yeah, they have the root.
You will cut here.
Yes.
And put on the water.
Water first for strong roots. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many days does it take for the root to grow?
How many days? Yeah. Depend on the weather, but we don't use chemical. Yeah. So only for organic. Yeah.
2 weeks?
No, it's more.
1 month?
Chemical. Yeah, near 1 month. Yeah. Because we don't use chemical from the baby.
Yes.
Yeah. And so we cut close here, right? And so we make stronger roots, and so after that they will make the next generation. Yeah. Okay. Pepper they have 1 season for 1 year. Yeah. And the season they before October to end of April.
Harvest.
Yeah. If you see
October to April.
if you see the time of pepper, it's the right time with the weather. Yeah, and so the rice season here they from the before October to end of April, and to end of April they become to rainy season. Yeah.
Yeah.
So in the rice season it's no rain anymore, but
Yes,
it's
yes.
the time for the pepper. Yeah. So in rice season no rain and always hot. Yeah. And so the environment is very hard to survive. Yeah. But in this time the peppercorn is really strong. Yeah. They make strong smell and strong spicy. Yeah. If there's a season of pepper in rainy season, right? It's no good quality.
Because due to rain, the taste will go.
Yeah. The taste is not strong. Yeah. So first in the season we will have flower, yeah, and flower in here with many bunch, yeah. And so from flower they will become to green pepper first, yeah. But now 100% flower become to peppercorn, yeah. You see, it's many, yeah, only 3, yeah. And so first we have green pepper, yeah. And next step from now to April in 2 months, yeah. Green pepper they will become to
Red
pepper because they maturity, yeah, and they change the color green to red, yeah. But you know the now 100% green to red, only maximum we have 40%, 50% green pepper become to red color, yeah, depending on the weather and the pepper, yeah. So reason why we collect with green and red together, yeah. You know, see the green, yeah, it's a red and green, yeah. The yellow color is they become to red, and so we
Yes.
can collect, yeah. And so after that we keep green like this one. Now you can see only green,
Yes.
yeah. And so we wait again, yeah, wait again for next week they become to red.
Okay.
On one bun, and so we collect, yeah. And so we continue to end of April, yeah. So end of April we collect on
So
end of season we collect
in a year, how many times we can harvest?
how many times? It's only 2,
Only 2
green
times.
and red pepper,
Okay.
yeah. So after we collect, right, so after we collect we separate by hand, yeah, like
Yeah.
this, red,
And we
and keep
the
the
green.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah. And so
It must be time taking.
Huh?
Time taking
time taking either,
to separate red from the green.
yes,
Very
by
time.
hand.
Yeah, very time taking.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, time taking. Yeah, yes. Along we only by hand. Yeah. You
Very
know,
tough.
Yeah, in Campos or in over the world in Madagascar or in Brazil they have pepper only by hand. Yeah, yeah. Because the red easy to destroy, and so we only by hand. Yeah, because the red is expensive. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And so for the red, right? For the green, we can. After that, for green pepper, we can dry on the sun about 1 week, but
Okay.
depend on the weather. Yeah, near 1 week, and so they will become to black pepper like this.
But some you don't boil, right?
No. In here we no boil the pepper, but in Campos they boil the pepper first.
Yeah, and it
Yeah.
becomes black.
Yeah, become to black. Yeah, dry on the sun about 1 week, and so they become to black color.
Okay.
Okay. And for the red, right? The red we have two way to use the red pepper. The first we keep the skin, right? And so we dry on the sun. Yeah. And so they become to red pepper after dry on the sun. Yeah, they look like black pepper, but they're different color. It's a deep black color. Yeah.
Do you have here?
Later I will show you. Yeah.
Okay.
And so after that, for another red, we can remove skin. Yeah.
Yes.
We put into the water and we remove many. Yeah.
And
And
becomes-
sometimes we use the fish.
Okay.
Become many. Yeah. And so
And it becomes white.
yeah, it's white.
But from green we cannot make white.
No.
Only from red.
Yeah, only from red.
Okay.
Okay. It's a white. Yeah. Because the green. Yeah. Because the green, the skin is not easy to to
Okay.
remove. Yeah. And so you need a long time to remove, and the corn is no bad quality. Because the rest, when they become too red, is the bad quality.
Okay.
And so remove skin, we have white, and white is bad quality. Yeah. And the green, when you remove, it's not, yeah, you see, it's not easy. Yeah. Yeah, it's not the way. Yeah, you see. Yeah. Yeah. So reason why they only for the red. Yeah. And because the red pepper no many on the plant. Yeah. And so reason why on the market, yeah, the red and the white they expensive more. Yeah. The price of red pepper and the white they expensive more green pepper or black pepper. Yeah, because they have no many, and the quality is better. Yeah, for the red and the white. And you know on the world, yeah, for the food cuisine, right? In the Europe they use many pepper, especially in France, Germany. Yeah, but they love red pepper and the white more green or black. Yeah, but in Asia they love green and black pepper. Yeah, yeah, it's different because the food cuisine is different. Yeah, because in France they use many the cheese, the seafood. Yeah, and they love the red pepper and the white.
White is not so spicy.
Yeah, yeah, not so spicy. Yeah, but the Asia people they love the green and
Spicy.
black more. Yeah, yeah.
So how many people work here
How many people?
for harvesting?
For harvesting now we have one.
Only one.
Yeah, because you know the red pepper is they become too red, right? The red they will appear slowly.
Okay.
It's not quickly. Yeah. So near 1 week. Yeah. Yeah, and they will red again. Yeah, but they will slowly. It's not on. Yeah. You
And
see?
how large is the pepper farm?
In this we have near 1 hectare for pepper.
1 hectare.
Only 1 hectare, but the farm here we have 10 hectare.
But for pepper, only 1 hectare.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
And we keep the forest. We know have many.
so how many kilos do you generate?
Yeah. For the one plant 1 year we can collect about 6 to 7 kilograms for one plant.
From one
Yeah,
plant?
and average for the year we can collect about 600 kilograms for 1 hectare. Yeah, it's no many because we no use chemical. Yeah. Yeah.
So in one pole, how many plants do you put?
Now we have, yeah, you see, it's 2, right?
Only 2.
Yeah, only 2 here. You can see the main tree. Yeah. But depend on the you see we have many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So depend on the area here.
So the height will be this much only, or it will go
No,
more?
only 3-4 meter. We
Only
keep,
3-4
we keep, and we cut on the top.
Oh, you keep on cutting.
Yeah, cut, and so they will expand on the circle
Okay.
around the main tree. Yeah. Okay. So in our farm we no chemical and no pesticide. So reason why you see you plant many papaya, right? And pineapple. Yeah.
Pineapple takes very long time.
Yeah. And the lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Or banana. So
Banana.
they will good for the land. Yeah. And another reason they give protect the pepper.
Shade.
Protect the pepper
Yeah.
from the insect,
Okay.
the ant, the bee. Yeah. Because they love papaya, more pepper. Or
Okay.
banana, more pepper. Yeah. And the lemongrass, you know, they can, yeah. The insect they will go away. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. First, we will sun dry it. Then we will soak in the water.
Yes.
And the one which floats will throw, and
Yeah.
and we'll collect what's
Collect
in
the
the
high
bottom.
quality and dry again.
I can dry
Okay.
again. Okay.
Yeah.
But not in the hot water.
No. In the Cambodia, they boil the green and the
And
red pepper in the hot
Hot water and dry it.
Yeah, because you know the
That is not good.
yeah, it's not good. Yeah, because they made the lower quality. The
Okay.
quality it go down. But in Cambodia they need to do that because the condition of export in Europe.
Okay.
Because nowadays many owners from Europe to go to Cambodia and make a company and build the garden for the pepper.
So
Yeah.
how many days do you dry this? For how many days?
From green to black or,
Yes.
or red.
From
pepper.
green to black, and again when you dip it in the water
Yeah.
and take it out after taking out from the water, how many days do you dry this?
For first one, green to black, 7 days.
Okay.
But yeah, it depend on the weather. Yeah, if the rainy, we can more day. Yeah, because they need the sunny. Yeah, and after put in good into the water, we need about 2-3 days. Yeah, yeah. But always sunny. Yeah, if the rainy, we need 2 more days. Yeah, yeah, because they need enough the sun. Yeah, the sunny. Because the sun is the best and free. We can use the machine, but it's not, not the best. Yeah, and the sunny is really the best. Yeah.
And this is taken out from the water, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So how many days has it been here?
Taking the water? How many days?
Yeah.
Yeah, only 2-3 days.
And how many more days will it go for the drying?
How many days?
And how many more days?
7 days. All right.
And this will become much more lighter than. Now it's heavy. It will become light.
No.
Same.
The same. Yeah.
The weight will remain
Yeah.
same.
If you have too much sunny, the color they will become to brown color, not
Okay.
black color. But the quality inside is no, no go down or no go down, no like it.
Yup, that's me having raw mango with pepper spice. For more informative videos, click on the like, subscribe and bell icon. Thanks for watching.